Today we're taking a closer look at the new door handles on the 2020 Cadillac CT5. The CT5 has a new kind of door handle that Cadillac has not used in the past on its vehicles. What's unique about the new unit is that the handle itself doesn't actually move. Instead, it remains stationary. There is a rubber-coated button or trigger inside the handle, and squeezing that button is what unlocks the door via the keyless entry system, and then it unlatches the door, enabling it to open. We recently tried out this handle and can say that it feels good and solid, plus there is a Cadillac logo within the handle, which adds a nice touch.